You don't have to depend on your children one day, and you shouldn't have to. You've worked hard your whole life. You did everything for your family and brought them to where they are. However, deep inside of you, you've got that little voice that makes you worry, wondering, is my money going to be sufficient? What if I have no choice but to ask my children for help? And the thought of that just doesn't sit well with me at all. But the truth is, it's not about pride. It's about freedom. People our age are building an extra income stream to give them more breathing space and make them feel more in control. If you want to stay independent, why not start building yourself something new without starting all over again? Comment freedom below and I will send you a free copy of a PDF to show you exactly how you can do this. Or you're welcome to WhatsApp me. My cell phone number is in my bio.